Hi, welcome to Epida Studio. My name is Elizabeth. Did you know that you can strip piece half square triangle units? Yes, you can. Today I'm going to show you how. This method uses two strips of fabric. These strips are 3.5 inches wide because our finished HST units will be 3.5 inches wide. Lay the strips right sides together and stitch a 1/4 inch away from the edge on each side of the strip. On the cutting mat, align the 45-degree line on your ruler with the bottom edge of the strip and cut a 45-degree angle. Then rotate the ruler and align the 45-degree line with the top of the strip and the other side of the ruler with the edge of the previous cut to make a triangle. Then rotate the ruler again and continue along the strip, cutting triangles in this method. Gently remove the stitching from the top of the triangle piece and then open to get your half square triangle unit. To square up this piece, align the 45-degree line on the ruler with the center seam and then trim the top and the side edges. Rotate the piece, realign, and cut to your finished 4-inch piece. There it is, a perfect 4-inch half square triangle. So what's so good about strip piecing half square triangles? It's quick to stitch. It's an easy way to make very small squares. It's good for using jelly rolls or other pre-cuts. What's not good with this technique? It can be tricky to calculate and to cut. And your final squares have bias edges on all 4 sides. So when would you want to use this technique? If your fabric is too narrow to use any other triangle method. Or if you have pre-cut strips and you want to get the largest possible HST unit. I give this method 2 out of 5 thimbles.